In this video today, we're going to talk about how you guys can find quality manufacturers over on Alibaba.com. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. And like I said, man, Alibaba has some of the best manufacturers there is, and they're featuring something called the Elite Partners Events, and we're going to jump into it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. Okay, so when it comes to finding quality manufacturers, man, it is something that we play around with whenever you want to get something made. It doesn't even have to be for the t-shirt industry. Whatever it is, you can get it manufactured from scratch. You can rebrand. You can do a lot of different things, which a lot of companies in our industry actually do. But when it comes to finding a quality manufacturer, the best place to go is Alibaba.com. And we're going to go ahead right now, and I'm going to give you a few tips on what you should do in order to find a quality manufacturer, starting with the Elite Partner Event. So let's jump into the computer and let's have a look. Okay, so now we're in the computer right now, and I'm going to go to Alibaba epe.tshirtsidehustle.com. You can also find the link to this down in the description. All right, and this is going to take us to the Elite Partner Events. And the reason I wanted to start here is to show you guys what are the qualities of an elite partner when it comes to Alibaba. There are a number of manufacturers on here, but something has to set everybody else away from the elite ones. Okay, so here's what Alibaba is looking for. First and foremost, you want to make sure you're finding a verified supplier, right? So they're verified mark, just like verified on Instagram and different places like that. They have a verified marker. All right, they have a overall rating of 4.9 out of 5. Me personally, I'm looking for a 4.5 or above, but to be elite, you got to be at the cream of the crop, the creme de la creme, which is 4.9. On average ship rate times, all right, 4.82 stars out of 5. Again, I'm perfectly fine with a 4.5, but to be elite, you got to be higher. All right, and an average response rate of 94% with 10 years of experience. Man, having that longevity in the game, having 10 years under your belt of manufacturing says a lot about you with any business, no matter what it is that you're doing. I've been doing t-shirts myself officially since 2011. Here we are in 2021. So that puts me in that place where, you know, hey, maybe I'm a lead at this thing. All right, so let's scroll down the page here. And again, like I said, it does not have to be t-shirt stuff. You can be manufacturing anything that you want to. Here you see some Windows stuff. Here you see global leading Old Century Healthcare brand. All right. Here you see some medical devices, furniture. I could have used this for the store. Could have got some furniture off of here, and a lot of different things. But we're going to take a look here at this one here, which is a clothing manufacturer. We're going to see what they have to offer us in the t-shirt industry here. All right, I'm not going to try to butcher the name of what this says here, but you guys can read it there yourself. All right, just going to take a look through the page here. This is an elite partner again, and we're just going to scroll through the page like I said, and elite partner event, core technology. They got down jackets. All right, they have different jackets here if you wanted to make some outdoor wear, some leather, some base shirts, some overcoats. All right, so you can see their factory. You can browse through their fabrication process. You can see a lot of the qualities and different things about the company, which will give you some of that stuff that you need. Now, let's take a look here. Response rate, 91.48. On-time delivery, 91.7. Over $200,000 in manufacturing. So that's a lot of money that's been moved through this company. So if they're taking in that much money, just imagine how much the companies that are on the other side who are marking this stuff up, you know, a button-down shirt. I want to just do something for fun real quick. So this button-down shirt cost us $3.50 to just, let's say, under $5 to produce. Let's go to Google and let's take a look at white button up shirt. And let's go to shop. So as you guys can see, this shirt here. Now, you got to get the quality, you got to manufacture, you got to get a sample in, you got to test it out. But you can see this shirt here cost us $3 or I'm just going to say $5 here. And these shirts are manufactured, or these shirts are retailing for $77, $38. Just a lot of different numbers that you could be. You could be on the low end. You could be on the $14, $15 range. However you set your brand out to be, you can go ahead and take a product off Alibaba.com and you can go ahead and manufacture it, as you can see here, and then you can take and sell it and retail it at whatever number it is, which is huge multiples of which you are paying for. Okay, so what are some of the things that we want to look for when searching through? So let's go back up to the top. Let's see what other products they have. Let's go to t-shirts. Let's go to kid shirts. We can't find a lot of kid shirts in this industry. And here we can find some kid shirts for $2 to $3. And this is a 5-piece minimum, so you don't have to order that many. And I'm pretty sure if you wanted to go ahead and customize this stuff, you would have these options. These are customizable. You would take this, you would contact the supplier. Once you create an account here, and you would log in and you would start communication and dialogue for what it is that you actually want to get, with neck labels, if you want it already printed and different things like that. They will be able to help you out when it comes through manufacturing any of this stuff that you may need for your brand. So I want to head over to the site again now, and I want to go just to the home page here. Okay, so now I'm at the home page, and what I want to actually do here is go through and look for all over print shirts, t-shirts. Let's go t-shirts. All right, and I want to see if I can find an all over print manufacturer here. So we have verified, we have 4.9 stars, we have 2 years, we have 4 years here. Let's go ahead back to the top here. We want to make sure we have a verified supplier. We want to make sure that they have trade assurance, which means if I send my money out, it's secure, it's protected. And basically, you know, I have nothing to worry about. Alibaba will make sure that I get the products that I'm looking for, the quality that I'm looking for. And if there's any dilemma or problem, then I can take that up with Alibaba. They gave me insurance on what it is that I actually ordered. All right. And now I want to see what vendors are available for myself. All right. So we have a 4-year supplier here of all over shirts. Good numbers there. We have a nice sample here. I like the way this image looks here at 5 or 6, 200 pieces. All right, this has a very, very low one. Let's keep taking a look here. 2-year suppliers, 4.7 stars. We have a 5-year supplier, 5.0 stars, 7 ratings there. So it looks like we have a few options that we can choose from here. 6 years, as you can see, it's not a lot of 10 years here on this thing, but we did find one here with a 4.6 star. So the star rating is at 4.8 for product quality, on-time delivery 4.5. So this looks like a pretty good manufacturer that we could choose from here. They have a few ratings there. So let's go ahead and take a look a little bit deeper into this and see what it is they offer. All right, so they offer small through 2XL. Boom, boom, boom. We scroll down. You get all of the details for the product. And you're able to go ahead and then select the product. You can just go through all of the company's information. You can test out all of this stuff. The sizes that are available. You can small to 5X or custom. All right. You can put your own logo. 100-piece minimum order quantity there. 50% deposit. Sample time 3 to 7 days. Shipping versus air, sea, and express. You know, shipping is a big deal on how long it's going to take you to get the stuff, the advantage, and other things like that. So you can see a nice quality all over printed shirt there. You can see some of the other stuff that they offer: Chanel patches, embroidery, 3D embroidery, puff printing, a lot of stuff that's really, really popular, different buttons and different things like that. So sometimes you can go to a manufacturer. Once you build a rapport with this manufacturer, you can use this manufacturer to make you other things, even though you don't necessarily see it. Once you have an idea what you want, you got a mock-up, you got any of those spec sheets or different things like that, you can send that over to them and say, hey, You know, I worked with you guys in the past on all over shirts. I wonder if you can make this denim jacket here that you see here for me, and they'll let you know if they can do it. So that way you have a manufacturer. Now you can kind of negotiate with that person. You can build up a rapport, and once you get something from a person or a company or manufacturer, once you get that stuff in, it's good, it's on point, you can go ahead and continue to utilize that manufacturer, so you know down the road you can have those same simplicities and different things like that from ordering with the same person over and over again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead down in the description below and check out Alibaba.com's elite partner events. Some of the top suppliers that they've hand selected, they did the work for us so that we don't have to do the work, and you guys can get your quality products manufactured, fast delivery, fast response time, 4.8 stars or better. This has been your boy Stan Basement T-Shirt Side Hustle, helping you manufacturing. Oh yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you're gonna get to see some quick tips and points over there. I already put one out. People were loving them. I'm gonna bring you guys some more of that stuff, some carousels of information that'll be useful in the process of you doing different things like manufacturing products on Alibaba.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been your boy Stan Basement T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.